Hello there guys, this is Golden Game with Sam, and today I will talk about I have 60 subscribers. That is really helpful now. You are really helpful. Yeah, because I don't know what to say, but thank you all. Thank you all for support. And yeah, I just wanted to thank you all that you subscribed and just keep joining. And you guys are really keep joining because I have to do this video like 1 week, then a new, 1 week, then a new, 1 week, then a new video of this. Like, woo, shit. Maybe I should maybe do it if I get 20 subscribers, then I will do it. Because I just doing when I get 10 subscribers, and that's maybe so little for me now. So yeah, keep joining, subscribe for more, and I will do some more videos. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, and maybe you think that's annoying. I will stop that now. But many of you wanted me to be crazy, so yeah. And I really don't like that some of you dislike. Just if you don't like my videos, just go. Don't watch them. It's kind of weird that you watch them if you don't like them. That's weird for me. Comment if that's weird for you guys. If they still watching and just dislikes. Yeah, that's terrible. Yeah, and I will call you Golders because yeah, that compares to my name, and I will have it like that because um, I think it was 3 who wanted me to have that name. Yeah, so really, uh, like you guys, like you guys, and I will subscribe. If you subscribe to me, I will do the same back. So goodbye.